Welcome to Study Loop.
Since we are in right triangles and AD is shared between the two right triangles, we know AD is congruent to AD. That's the additional congruent parts. And now these triangles are congruent by HL. In the right triangles, we have the pair of hypotenuses and legs congruent. In the second case, since we know right triangles or right angles are congruent, that um, another pair of angles are congruent, and we have the shared side AC is congruent to AC by the reflexive property, then these triangles are congruent by two angles on the side not included. And finally, we know that um, I'm thinking what's going on here is that AC was supposed to be marked with FE, and then we knew that these pieces were congruent. And then with the shared side, or the congruent angles, I don't know that we actually need to say anything else that they're congruent by side angle side. And that's I would question these markings, what they would mean, because one's single and one's double. Um, but I think it would be by side angle side if this is true here. In the part below, these triangles would be congruent by side angle side. It's two pairs of sides congruent, and the right angles would be congruent, and they are included. In number 5, since we have the reflexive shared sides, we do not have an SSA, but with right triangles specifically, we can use HL because we have the hypotenuse and a pair of legs congruent. In number 6, we can say side angle side, two sides in the included angles. Since we have a shared side and we have a pair of angles congruent within the triangles, that would be angle side angle. And in the last case, we have two angles congruent and a not included side. That's angle, angle, side.